Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change the clock on your Samsung Galaxy A54 lock screen. So if you have the analog clock on the lock screen of Samsung Galaxy A54 and you want to change it to digital, or if you have digital clock and then you want to change it to analog, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change from analog to digital on lock screen Samsung Galaxy A54, or change from digital to analog or vice versa, whatsoever, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to wallpaper and styles, then click on that. Here you should see your current wallpaper. This is your lock screen, this is your home screen. Mark you want to change the clock format maybe from digital to analog or analog to digital on the lock screen. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on the lock screen. Now once you selected the lock screen, click on the clock style itself, then you should see all the available clock styles. Now go ahead and select the clock style you want to set on the lock screen. So if it is digital, select digital. If it is analog, select analog. And then once you're done with the clock style you want to use, just go ahead and click outside. Then click on the done button at top right to save changes. Then you're gonna say change apply to lock screen. Now if you go back to the lock screen, press the start button once, then you should see your new clock style here. So that's exactly how to change the clock format from analog to digital or from digital to analog. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.